Hi guys, so today we'll discuss on the investment banking opportunities for CA, MBA, BCom, MCom, everybody, and a total guidance on what is investment banking profile, what are different stages in investment banking profile, and how can you get into out here. And this stay till the entire video, and you will get a lot of information. We hope. Okay. My name is CA Agarwal. I have a 5 years of post qualification experience. I have worked in EY, KPMG, PwC, and I've also worked in top 20 CA firms in consulting domain. So, and I've also guided a lot of people, around 30,000 job seekers in the last 4 to 5 years. So, and you can also follow me in LinkedIn as well. Okay, so this is my channel where you can go through all the videos. We have made a lot of videos on different topics, which you can get a lot of information about, and this information will be useful for you, and we make a lot of creation content on all sorts of topics which will really help you get a lot of knowledge on different types of topics, which is tax audit, accounts, fund accounting, merger acquisitions, and all. So please visit our channel so that it really helps you. Okay. So about investment banking, I will share a sheet, okay, so that it really helps you. What is investment banking? I think this is able to see, you're able to see out here investment banking sheet, okay. My voice is not little louder because there's little throat in the neck, and that's why the voice quality might not be that great, but definitely try to make sure that the content is good for you. Now in investment banking, now, what is an investment banking and how does it works? Okay. Now, investment banking acts as a bridge between the company and investor. It helps the company raise the funds to retail, institutional, anchor investors, either through IPO, FPO, bonds, issuance. It keeps a close eye on the recent and forthcoming as well as industry forecast. This involves preparation of pitch books once the deal is finalized, the IP gets demanded, and the project is executed. For example, there is a corporate, okay, and corporates need money to grow and create wealth for the investor. This is an investment bank. It is actually helping them to create a that. What are the services is the investment bank firm provides? It provides underwriting, merger acquisitions, asset management services, sales, trading, corporate broking, a lot of research. So where there is FDD, transaction advisory, merger acquisitions. So there are a lot of activities which an investment banking firm will provide. Okay. So it is a big domain. Now, which are the companies which generally hires in investment bank? There is bulge bracket banks like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Credit Suisse, Barclays, Bank of America. Then there is Big Four also, which helps in which also provides jobs in investment banking, but the names are different. Here they will say strategy and transaction, they will say, or financial due diligence, valuation, profile, but they are all actually helping in investment banking only. Okay. Mm, there's front office, there middle office, there is back office work out here which you will be getting. Uh, And then there is what is the skill set that is required out here? If you need to have a good finance knowledge, basic modeling, valuation, stats, math, selling skill, relationship building. Okay, this is what it is required in investment banking. I'll share one share Excel sheet, okay, and I will be explaining that if three different types of investment banking firms. Okay, now in investment banks, there is front office rules, and then there is middle office. There is backend roles. Okay. Now with the CAs, now in this front office you will find MBAs from IIMs. Generally will get a seat out here. Okay. From good premium tier one colleges you will get. So this is very difficult to get out here. Okay. Now this is basically sales job. Okay. Here your sales, direct client interaction, right? Direct client interaction. This is a sales job. Okay. Now what are different types of work that you need to do out here? Merger acquisitions. Okay, merger acquisitions, helping raise funds through what IPO, FPO. Okay. Then bond issuance. This about further. Then there is all these things that are merger acquisitions, and then this, and even wealth management, right? This is also a part of this investment banking. And the middle office, you will be preparing Excel, doing the financial modeling, page books, information, page books, you will preparing valuation, benchmarking, information memorandum, PPTs, business deals, advisory services. Back end, you will be doing something like accounting work, accounting like fund accounting, NEP calculation, private equity accounting. These are the things that you will be doing: private equity accounting, fund accounting, hedge fund accounting, right? Product control, legal entity control. These are things that you will be doing out here. Okay. Now, more than this, you will be checking the P&L for was you will checking the PL of a trader, the transactions and all, margin, margins and all they will be checking. Okay, so these are things that you will be doing in the backend calculations. Okay, forex, treasury, etc. Forex, treasury, etc. Okay. Now, majority CAs are hired in this role. Majority of CA freshers, even experienced CAs are hired here. Now here, no financial modeling knowledge is required, as they say, but it is here you need financial modeling to get out here. Now here you need financial modeling definitely. Okay, a majority of the roles are for CAs are in backend. Some are there in this. What is the criteria? Okay, now here the criteria is 1 to 2 attempts, 1 to 3 attempts. For MBAs, now generally they will hire a CA rank holder, or a CA with Big Four experience, Big Four audit experience, CA stat audit experience, pursuing CFA. So this is what the second or this. So if you're not a rank holder up to 50 ranks, rank holder, okay, CA rank holder, Big Four articleship or top 20. generally. This is what the thumb rule generally. CFA pursuing college, tier one college. College is also very important in SRCC, training, SRCC college, Nachimanji, like this, etc. These are the three things. This is very trying to get into middle banking is, and this is very difficult. Here there is very few rules. Here there are very few roles. Okay. Now, what is the salary? Now, the salary here will be around 10 to 14 lakhs. Is the growth. The growth will be similar to Big Four, or little more. Good earning. Con is always the work-life balance in any profile. Here the salary can be 14 to 18 lakh also, depending on what rank you got. 20 lakh similar to, no, this will be much more better. The bonus component is good. Bonus is good, 50 to 100%. Good earnings. Okay, work-life balance can be 14 hours to 16 hours also. It can go to 12 to 16 hours on a daily basis, right? Companies, Goldman, JP Morgan, Credit Suisse, Barclays, Wells Fargo. Value serve. A lot of companies are there. Equity knowledge partner. Then there is Indian banks also which hires. Don't forget Citibank is there. Indian bank is there. Indian investment bank, which is a good option if you're not getting by Indian investment banks like ICICI Securities, Yes Bank, Kotak Bank. Here the learning is good, but earning will not be that great. But earning will be not that great as the international banks. Right now, these companies, here also the companies will be basically the same, but here Macquarie is also there. Macquarie, American Express, Nomura, NetWest. Okay. These are the profiles where what you need to prepare for these profiles. Okay. For this part, I have made a separate video already. Here, actually, you need interview questions, right? Interview questions. We also help in mock interviews as well, which you can see. Okay. Now, we also help in mock interviews and also detailed about everything. Here, you need, okay, CFA level 1 syllabus is asked basically. Syllabus is asked like corporate finance. No, number two, your microeconomics and microeconomics. I think the video is getting little longer, but I hope this video will really help everybody. And this knowledge is also applicable for MBAs also. Even MBAs are hired out here. In middle banking, MBAs are also hired. Now, for this profile, even the MBAs are hired, right? MBA, finance, definitely are hired out here. Microeconomics, like a repo rate, SLR, CRR, reverse repo, monetary, fiscal policy, mutual fund, hedge funds, might be asked. Then they may then check your industry knowledge, stock market knowledge, current affairs, at least last 30 days knowledge, current affairs, you should be well updated, whether it is a budget or anything, okay, frauds, latest news, war, fraud, bank scams, whatever it is, okay, you should be very well aware of budgets, everything. Then they take your business knowledge as well, business knowledge, industry knowledge. Definitely accounting knowledge. There is a lot of things to be done out here that can be made a separate video. Accounts, finance, ratios, analysis. There are a lot of questions that can be asked on this. Then definitely behavior questions. Why investment banking? What is the expected salary? Behavioral interview. Why investment banking? Why IB? How to survive long working hours. So these are the then some guest estimates are there. Guest estimates. Lots of questions are there. So these are the things that may be asked. So your overall knowledge is account, finance, everything, your PPT skills, everything will be very much important. They may ask you financial modeling, valuation, or give the spellings. like DCF, precedent transaction, DCF, precedent transaction, then different types of multiples, EBITDA multiples. They might ask you a lot of questions on this market DCF method, this, and they may ask you to build up on, they might ask you on assumptions while doing financial modeling. Then there is a question on NPV IRR, NPV IRR, discounted payback period. So there are a lot of questions that can be asked on this. So you should be well aware of so many things to get a knowledge. So it's not easy. You need to have a corporate finance, economics, mutual funds, stock market, current affairs. Don't forget behavior questions is this. Okay, whatever your then your articleship experience, your past work experience is very very important out here. Very very important. I hope this video will be useful and have made a very detailed video on this. And we do help in this profile as well and other profiles as well that I will just check your video once again. So you can check my channel and subscribe to our channel so that these videos will be helpful for you. We make our different videos on different profiles and we do a lot of research also for different profiles. You can check our videos and I hope these videos will really help you. Please share our channel with your friends. And we have mock interviews, interview preparation, resume review, how to prepare resume for different profiles, what will be a career guidance for each and every profile, placement assistance. So follow me in LinkedIn as well. I hope that will really help you. I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile. Do follow me in LinkedIn, where we have created a lot of content for the job seekers, and this content will definitely help you out in a lot many ways. Okay, GFC, you can check my channel, and I've worked in different profiles. That will really help, and you can check how many profiles we have worked and do and where we have actually helped people out. Okay, so you can check our channel and I hope that will really help you. And that's it from my side. Till then, we will meet you in next video. Thank you so much, and do take care of your health as well and your family. And have a very bright career ahead. Thank you so much.